Have you heard about the latest Jeep Wrangler recall? If you own a 2024 or 2025 model, this is crucial information for you. Chrysler, under FCA US, is recalling 78,989 Jeep Wrangler vehicles. The issue arises from a pinched remote start antenna cable. This could prevent the tire pressure monitoring system, or TPMS, from working correctly. Why is this a problem? The TPMS warning light may not illuminate when tire pressure is low. This failure does not meet Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standard number 138. This standard ensures proper monitoring of tire pressure for safety. What does this mean for you as a Jeep owner? Dealers will inspect these vehicles for the faulty antenna cable. If needed, they'll replace it free of charge. You won't have to pay a dime. Keep an eye on your mailbox. Owner notification letters will be mailed out starting September 2, 2025. If you have questions, FCA US customer service is available at 1-800-853-1403. Remember, the recall number you'll want to reference is 56C. In other news, have you noticed that Stellantis recalls appear to be minor lately? This could be worth discussing in the comments below. So, keep your Jeep's safety in check. If you're affected, reach out to your dealer as soon as you receive the notification. For more updates on recalls and automotive news, stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe for the latest information.